Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to fix fast battery drain issues on this device. So, let's open Settings application on your device and let's scroll down to Battery section. The first thing that I recommend you doing is turning off this high performance mode and instead switch into balance mode or power saving mode. Now let's see which applications consume the most battery. As you can see, I have my camera, but this is system application, so I will go to Spotify, for example, and here under the section power consumption controls I need to set restrict background activity. So look at your list right here, battery usage by app, and set applications to not use your battery. Okay, and I think that's all. Additionally, you can go to battery health and you can enable smart charging if you want. You can custom charging limits, or you can simply resume charging at 95%. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.